I just wanted to talk to you about this Python color library. It's called acrylic. It is simple to use. It allows you to manipulate colors in different format, easy to convert from one format to another. For example, you create a color by specifying the values, for example RGB values. So you say RGB are equal to these values, and then given that color you can simply access the corresponding value, the corresponding format, just by saying, for example, since the color name is, or the variable name corresponding to the color is cyan, just by cyan.hex you will access the hex value of that color, or you say cyan.HSL, you will access to HSL color, then the values, for example HSL.L, you will access to the L value of that HSL color. It allows you also to easily create schemes, as in here you access a scheme corresponding to, you specify the scheme corresponding to the color you've created. The schemes are identified by numbers from 1 to 12, so it's easy to create. I'll show you here. Here I tried to create the corresponding scheme, or the corresponding schemes provided by this library, just by creating, or just by using this one loop containing another loop, of course, to loop through the colors of each scheme. And from one color I generated all these corresponding schemes just by calling the scheme with the corresponding number from 1 to 12. So it's easy to manipulate, or it's easy to use. To install the library, all you have to do is to run the following command: pip install acrylic. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.